Sister Petra. Warrior for Jesus, warrior. Me a warrior for Jesus. Oh.
So them not come out yet. Tired of them. Every day, the two of them, they live loving. Eh? Not only that, you are sprinkle on the backside. Eh? Look on the amount of animal and sitting on no have. Me there my yard a suffer. I don't like on man. I'm tired of you. Everything this a work out for you, sir. Everything. All you know, no come near me man, make you all you dead off. You know near me man, near me. Hey, see there. You know near me make you kill you. Every morning you come out the chop and they weed up and they pop style for me. Eh? Alright, Jeremiah, you and your girl. One rotten off on no damn foot in this. Tear down. Come out every day. But oh, I'm blessed. And they worship God. I don't know God going on no blessing. You know near me make you no dead man. Near me make you kill off everyone around. Everything you know have. Look there, every fruit tree, animal, so hungry can't kill you. I want hungry kill off everyone around you, man. No rotten off that you can't come to nothing in life.
Oh boy. Thank you, Father God, for another bright sunshiny day. Oi. Come. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo.
Yes, man. May I go see which God they serve this morning? Eh? My God Almighty, Mr. Everywhere the people them turn, the people them bless. I mean, no say Whap Obeah them are working, you know. They have duck, they have goat, they have cow, they have everything. And then they say flourish so. Eh? So what wrong with me? You don't understand. What really they go on with me? Well, alright. This morning, me they go see how which God them a serve. Any one of them come out first this morning, they must get food. Eh? All the old chicken them and near me sitting, I wish the whole of them could have dead off. Eh? Make it kill off the whole of them. Be tired of see them they prosper. But God bless me, God bless me. Then things that me don't know, so then they go somewhere. See which God they serve this morning.
Mighty God! My wife!
Yes, Jeremiah. I see the kitten I hear you bawling out my name. What's wrong with you?
My foot, my wife!
What do you mean by your foot? What happened to your foot?
My foot!
What, you drop?
No!
So what happened? What you mean by why you shaking like that?
Something touched my foot, my wife. I don't know what it is.
But I don't see anything wrong with your foot.
Mighty
So,
God!
oh my God! This what happened because your foot just swelling up so big. Lord have mercy for my soul. Is what you do to your foot make it swell up so big so quick, man?
Wife, we just done feed the animal. Them and say me I go weed up the farm and my foot.
Lord have mercy.
Wife.
Take your time. I don't step on the cutlass.
Mighty God.
I don't know why you come out here so early this morning for.
Mighty God.
You don't even did have prayer meeting. Huh? Jesus Christ, man.
Wife!
Hush, alright, no worry yourself.
Foot, man, my foot.
I don't understand. Sit down. Sit down. Why you never sit down here, sir? Tell me what really happened. Sit down there, sir, man. Jesus Christ. What really happened?
Come out, my wife, and I feed the fowl and my wife.
My God. You know, say it's because you didn't pray this morning.
Wife,
You just
I
rush out of
thank
the
God.
house like that.
I
Huh?
thank God for wake me up this morning, my wife.
Yes, but you didn't pray with me. That's the problem. But I don't understand how this foot just get bigger and look like jackfruit foot. So this don't look right and shine. Lord have mercy. My husband, you sure you never do anybody anything and then send back the blow upon you?
Wife, where me I go? Where me I go? What you mean by?
This just looks strange to me. I don't understand this foot at all, my husband. I don't understand. You just come out of the house and me hear you ball out and your foot just big up, sir. That is strange, my husband, Lord God. Jesus Christ, what is power, man? So how you feeling now?
My wife, I just feeling be a pain, just pain, my wife.
Alright, tell you what, let me go for a piece of red cloth and tighten it because me here saying clear if I blow, it will turn it back. You hear me?
Alright, my wife.
Alright, hold on, I'm coming.
Mighty God. Mighty God.
Lord have mercy. And the foot look like it's getting bigger and bigger every minute. Lord gee, this just don't look right. This just don't look right, my husband. Me not like how this look. My God have mercy for my husband. Me tired of see people trouble you, you know. You sure you never sleep or something?
No, my wife, me not sleep nor nothing, my wife. Me not sleep nor nothing.
So how this a foot just big so?
I don't know, my wife. Why you don't make me go for Sister Whap?
Sister Whap? I'm not going up there, so. She's not a good woman. You know
Sister
that?
Good woman, my wife, she help whole heap of people. Sister Whap is very good, my wife.
Sister Whap is very good what? Good what? Everybody know that she's a Obeah woman.
She's not a Obeah woman, my wife. She's a healer, my wife.
Shut up your mouth and talk about she's a healer. You know that she do wickedness to people. So don't introduce me to no sister, to no damn Sister Whap. You hear what I said?
Sister Whap is good, my wife. So what me I gonna do? Sit down with this, my wife?
You just get the foot and you talk about sit down with the foot. You know if it's
foot?
foot?
Foot as well.
Yes, me see how the foot is swelling up. If you did wait on me this morning, this wouldn't happen to you. You know that? I don't think it's a good idea to go up here.
So what you plan to do now? We can't go a doctor with this, my wife. This is not a doctor issue.
It don't look like a doctor matter, but I don't think it's a good idea. When people see me and you as Christian going up there, what you think they go and say? They go and say it's long time we don't walk up here.
No,
You think they go and say you have foot?
Nobody knows with my wife. Sister Whap not so busy.
How you know about her so? Eh? How you know everything?
Go to Sister Whap.
You have friend who go up there? You sure it's not the same friend give you the foot, yeah? Huh? I don't know if I want to go up there, so because tell you what, if I follow you go up there, you know, I'm not going inside, you know. I don't in those things, you know. Me not in them dirtiness there.
Wife, me can't stand the pain no longer, my wife.
You're lucky. That me have to tell you. And now you want to mix me up in dirtiness? Huh? And how you think people go and look for me when we go to church?
Well, I don't care about people, my wife.
You
I have to get this foot healed.
Well, listen to me. You don't care, but I care. I care about tarnishing the name of the Lord. You hear me?
The Lord say I must seek physician.
Seek physician. You know if his foot them give you.
So
why is the first thing you want to go a Sister Whap? And what's about Sister Whap? You don't even wait 2 little days to see if I really foot them gear or a strain your foot. You
I don't strain my foot, my wife. No make me get ignorant by you, you know.
Get ignorant by your foot and don't get ignorant by me. Did I do you that?
I tell you I want to go to Sister Whap.
Well, tell you what. Go and put on your clothes and go up there on your own then. Go and put on your clothes and go up there and you always try to drag me in your dirty mess.
You is my wife, you know.
Well,
remember that, you know.
You think I forgot that I'm your wife? So because I am your wife, you expect everything where you tell me if you do, me go and do it?
Yes, you must do it.
Okay, sit down. You think I'm married to you, be your damn puppet? to be your puppet?
Listen to me. I'm not in the argument with you.
You don't have to be in any
follow
with
me
me.
go up a sister up today. Help me get up.
Help you get up. Don't talk to me like that. You hear me? Learn to have respect.
Help me get up, man.
Get up, man. You irritate me every day. Get up, Papa. Get up, man. Great Father, you know so me do the thing where you tell me to do?
We're do it early this morning.
Early this morning when they just a light.
Okay. And nobody not see you.
Nobody at all no see me.
Because you know say if people see it now go work, you know.
Great Master, you don't know say me know what to do when you tell me to do the thing, man. So you don't worry yourself.
Alright, so you know say whosoever come out first, you know, and them are gonna pick up the blow.
Me say me can't wait, you know. Me say me don't like them people there, you know. Remember say everything what me beg you do, you know, Great Father. You always come true for me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me don't like them people there, man. Me say them are my neighbor, me I tell you say every day them people there come out a door, you know, and a banter me, you know.
Listen, man. Everything will go alright, man. You understand? For you put it in the garden and them come out. Any one of them come out first, man. Me I tell you say everything will change for you, man.
Well, I am so grateful to you. You know say you don't have to worry yourself, you know. Because you know say anyway me if you get the money from me, I go take care of you. Because you know me believe in you, you know.
Yeah, man. So here we go on.
Yes,
You know
Great
what
Father.
you hear?
Yes, Great Father.
Alright, later.
Alright, sir. Thank you very much. You hear me?
Anytime, man.
I remember that I'm coming back to check you next week.
Alright then.
So line up the other something for me, you hear?
Alright.
Alright, thank you, man. Have a good day.
Take time with me now, my wife.
Don't tell me to take time with you. Don't tell me to take time with you. You should have known where you're coming before you invite me here.
What you mean by know where we coming to?
Tell me something. How we talk look when Pastor read we up in church?
Pastor not read we up.
Oh, you mean say Pastor not read? Well, God reading us up. God reading us up.
God
Look on the
reading us
cranny
up.
place. Look how the place look cranny and dirty. And you're taking me but I must come to you to damn sister what? Look at the place.
I better me a looking at my wife.
Better what? Better is in Jesus. That's where your better is in. Huh? You just get put and contact about you're coming about your checking sister.
So tell me something.
Huh?
Every day we life so we are going to argue.
Yes! Because that's what we
Imagine,
used to.
I
That's
come
what,
here to Sister Whap for healing.
for which healing?
So me can get better for do little thing in the yard and hear how you're behaving.
Tell me something. Sister Whap? Is Sister Whap God?
No, but
So
she's
what?
a healer.
Healer what? Listen to me.
She's a healer. Lots of people go to Sister Whap and heal right now.
She's a Obeah woman. And listen to me.
Me what?
Remember, say every tub will have to sit down on their one bottom. And I'm not into this with you. You hear me?
into it with me because you follow me come here.
I follow you, but next time I won't follow you going nowhere. You're damn lucky. And that me I tell you.
Yes, Sister Whap. Who me not supposed to come?
Who you talking, me?
She say you're not supposed to come.
You see the same thing what I tell you? You see the same thing you carry me come here and let the Obeah woman insult me? Well, tell you what, I'm going home.
You cannot
I'm
go
going
home, my wife.
Oh, you mean say I cannot go home?
Oh, you gotta go home, leave me.
I'm not in any argument with you. You can see that you know her. You talking about it's me, Sister Whap?
Why?
It's no you know her.
Will you turn me down there, so
Well,
my
listen
wife?
to me. If you don't come and find me, you know where I'm at the house. It's a
And
disgrace.
problem is gonna take place at the yard
No
if
problem.
you don't wait on me.
No problem. You're a disgrace to the gospel. Look at you, hopping your way to the Obeah woman. Hi. Don't feel any way sorry when you hear me turn back your wife.
Dear Sister Whap.
My name is not Sister Whap. My name Mother Whap. You hear what I say?
Alright, Mother Whap.
Yes. Alright, me know why you feel no way. Come. The dopey them will come here with you, then can't pass you so. Sit down. Your wife have a piece of energy they come here. See, anybody no believe in me, then can't come off in my place. You understand me? Me know say you believe in me, but your wife no like me.
Oh, so she stay now.
Your wife believe in the Most High God. Yes, but you believe in me. And that is what I love when people believe in me. Because if you don't believe in me, you're not get no healing. You hear me?
You believe in your man.
Me know that. You see it. And where you come here for? Alright, where you come here for?
Mother Whap, you're not supposed to know why I come here.
I say where you come here for? You're arguing with Mother Whap? You're arguing with me?
Mother Whap, this
Oh,
morning,
you come here for your foot.
this morning me get up and go in the field, right?
Say no more. Say no more. Your neighbor give your foot. Because your neighbor want to mash up you and your wife. Because your wife go on too proud and like she sanctify more than anybody else. So because of that, then give your foot. And never you meant for you know.
What you saying?
Yes, it's for your wife. But she come out late this morning but she depend prayer.
Mighty God.
Yes. The prayer make she escape the judgment for her.
Mighty God.
Your wife too proud, tell her to come down off her palms and pride. Yes, that's what cause everything, man. You don't live too good, man.
Mother Whap, me don't know what my wife in a Mother Whap.
Yes.
Me don't know Mother Whap.
She go on too stusha, that's the problem.
I tell her we always in argument in a Mother Whap.
She not even like you that much neither, you know. Yes!
What you saying, Mother Whap? She don't like me.
She no fancy you at all, what you can give her, she love.
Mighty God.
And the neighbor girl want you. Hiya! So because of that, the girl give your foot. And never you forget it, you know. But you come out early this morning, not you.
Yes, Madam.
Why you come out come to early morning time?
I feed the animal them and me
And
go
what
in
happened?
my field. This morning me come out and
Why you talk so poorly for? Eh?
I feel pain.
Well, talk strong because you a man. Me no want no poorly voice here, so because that the demons they have to leave.
Madam, me come out this morning and I feed the fall.
Hiya!
Right?
Yes.
So me go in the field now I weed up little
Hiya!
grass so me see in the field.
Hiya!
Mother Whap.
Hiya! Hiya! Say no more yet. Say no more. Go back to your sender. Go back. You believe in me, right?
Yes, Mother Whap.
You know say me can heal you.
Yes, Mother Whap.
You know say me are the healer.
Yes, Mother Whap.
Alright. Hiya. Yes, man. But I want young girl want you. Eh? I want young girl want you, man, the neighbor. She fighting hard. Because she want everything you know have. Eh? But
Mother Whap,
you no bless, man.
Mother Whap.
You are not know
she want.
She still want you, it no matter. I know what you want and what she want. Hiya! You know how all heap of things are true.
Yes, Mother Whap.
And they don't know how you come by it, but they want it. Eh?
Yes, Mother Whap.
Hey! This a sin you have to come out of your foot and go back. Go back to the sender. It's a sin yet they sending the finger out your foot. You see why you get big quick? Out. No worry yourself. I have everything there for you. Yeah? You come to the right place. I know that.
How much you charge for doing?
No worry yourself. Me, they go talk to you secretly. The money, what you don't give me, you don't have to pay me one time. Because I want you come back and you believe in me. You hear me? But for right now, I want you pay $100,000. You care so much?
So much, Mother Whap?
What you mean by so much? What then you out your foot, if you make it stand there and get old, you hold your foot in your mouth and you don't live.
Yeah,
So
pay $80,000, Mother Whap.
Well, when they care about the rest?
He come back in a week, but me now gonna make my wife know so me a come.
That is it, because she will discourage you. Because she don't believe in me, that me own the power that can heal your foot. You see how much people in the district come to me?
Yes, Mother Whap.
Alright, then come at night.
My friend always tell me about you, say you're good enough.
How are you they say?
Yes, Mother Whap.
So he's a good ambassador for me.
Yes, Mother
And that
Whap.
me want everybody who come here. How much you say this?
80,000.
Alright, 80,000. Don't worry yourself. The sin yet they come out today. Yeah. Alright, this a candle. The one born is 6 o'clock today. If you could have 6 o'clock and did that, not even run over, you light the candle 6 o'clock tonight. You hear me?
Yes,
And
Mother
they go
Whap.
give you then 2 sitting here. One for rub your foot and one for anoint your head.
Which one of them rub my foot, Mother Whap?
This a one here. To rub your foot. You
Okay,
hear me?
Mother Whap.
Nobody make nobody see it. Especially your wife. Because she will discourage you enough to come back here. You hear me?
Yes, Mother Whap.
And this I know. They go put this upon you. To make the demons never come back. So if you even find your wife, he can't touch you no more. You hear me?
Yes, Mother
So
Whap.
I want you to keep this secretly. You see why, you know? You see it?
Yes, mother.
It's hard to get, but because you believe in my power, I am giving this to you.
Yes, mother.
You hear me?
Yes, mother.
And don't go to that young girl, because that young girl is very evil.
Yes, mother.
The one will give you the foot.
Yes, mother.
She never mean to make you sick, but a solid thing set up to catch you.
Yes, mother.
Because you wouldn't come here if you didn't get the foot.
Mother, what? So if
Yes.
you turn back the blow upon her, how much did that cost?
Hey, I have to ask the spirit. Hiya! Hi! Can you find $500,000? That's a little bit of nothing, you know. Hiya! But because you believe in me, sell the whole of them. If you have to sell everything, sell it and come make us send it back to the girl.
Yes,
you know what's the turn back blow worse on the straight Obeah?
Yes,
Hiya! Hey! Well, alright, tell you what, when you don't go plan to sell them, yeah? The city
You
ain't gone, you
talk
know.
to my wife.
You don't talk to your wife.
Yes, mother.
You cannot talk to your wife about everything, you know. Because your wife, if she knows you're coming back to me, she don't discourage you.
When me have some pig up on my friend yard, I could have sell them one day.
Sell them one day and carry every cent to me. Every cent, and I promise you, everything will be alright.
Alright, mother.
No blow can't touch you, you know. You don't do that. When you come back with the $500,000, nobody can say no blow. And tell you what, maybe I'll give you a ring extra.
Wow, that would have been good because me and them attack say ring them
You know,
put in a mother
that me they tell us that everybody had a ring now. Why? And I want to give that ring there to you.
Yes, mother.
That the ring they protect you from everything. Eh? It burn you like fire when trouble they come. And the ring will tell you what we do and where we go.
So what for your ring, mother? What?
That is another secret, another 500,000.
Jesus Christ.
What is the problem?
Yeah, expensive.
No man, you know, expensive. The job is perfect. When you done, you're shining bright like a diamond.
Mother, what? Any how much it costs?
Yeah!
You go pay you.
That is what me want to hear from you.
You want protection.
Yes, cause see then, you come here with snake and the snake gone. Eh?
Thank you, mother. What?
I me they tell us I'm very good. You love me work, right?
Yes, mother. What?
And I want you to go around and spread the good gospel that I am doing a good job.
Yes, mother.
So your friend them will come back to me. You hear me?
Yes, mother. What?
Alright, so tell you what.
Mother, what?
Remember,
we can walk that part where the road I lead back to. You can drop me back down
on the main road, yes.
Alright.
Alright, you don't drop the candle. This candle is special, you know. You see what the candle look like? Is so you go and carry them?
You have anything on the camp?
Lord have mercy. You come here and you wait to make a clear you again. Because I don't want the dirty thing yet go down the road go wait for you, you know. Hey! Hey! Hiya! 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 Hey! Nothing more can touch you again for the rest of your life. Nothing more, but remember that. If you say you come in here Tuesday, you better make sure Tuesday you come back. You hear what me say?
Alright,
because the spirits will be looking out for you.
Alright, mother.
And tell you something. You see your wife, wrap up your bag good. Tell your wife, don't hold no discussion with me in God. I don't like it. It's offending me. It's offending me.
I will tell her, mother.
When she pray and don't call me name.
Alright,
eh? She's a wicked woman.
Alright.
Hiya! Hiya!
I'm going to know your mother what because you know when she go home leave me, you know.
Hey! Whee! I see you're going to get richer, man.
Oh,
I see you're getting richer.
Thing, mother, what?
Sit down, sit down,
another
sit down.
Thing.
Yes, what more you want me to do for you? Tell mother.
You can't
Tell
give
mother.
Me the winning number them.
The winning number for what?
The letter, man.
Then you think that if I didn't know the winning number, I would be sitting here reading you up? I don't know it. And that you come here for, you come for this in here, come out of your foot.
I will come back, mother.
If I didn't know the lotto number, I wouldn't let you come here.
Alright,
because
mother.
I would be rotten rich. Hey! Make her clear the place with this destruction. What the man come here with that? Leave! Leave! Hiya! 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 Hiya!
Kumbayaka, 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 bayaka. come out. Still corrupt. When you come turn up. Still corrupt. Shall run up.
Warrior.